channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to paint an enemy character. Actually I painted for the first time, you can say. So hope you enjoy this video, and if you are new here, hi, I'm Sanya, welcome to my channel. I make videos related to the painting tutorials, DIYs and much more. Please subscribe to my channel. So let's come to this video. Here we go. Firstly, I would like to tell you about my materials that I will be using in this painting. I will be using acrylic paints, of course. A cloth to clean brushes, paint brushes of different sizes, and a clean water for cleaning brushes, of course. And last not the least, a surface to paint. I will be using drawing sheet, and other options are also like canvas or wood. Now I am drawing a rough sketch of enemy character Todoroki with pencil. Today I realized that जब हम छोटे होते थे then the first thing we usually draw was cartoons or the house, right? Actually you might have seen that video where I have shared my old drawings also. The link is given in the bio also. If you haven't seen it, you can watch it from there. I have drawn many cartoons. At that time it was like wahi art bas, and as we grow bigger, side by side art also grows, right? If I'm not wrong, this can only well relate to the people who actually loves painting, and they can only relate to this, if I'm not wrong. Now see this enemy, some people call it cartoon, some people call it enemy. It's difficult to define. To be honest, I haven't seen any of the episodes of this anime. As you know, I love painting, so I couldn't stop myself from making this anime character, Todoroki. Now I'm painting first here with red and crimson lake. We will paint only half part of here. Black, I choose grey because it's to reflect the shadows, so to look like realistic. For the face, I am using two colors, orange plus white. Make sure to use less of orange and more of white. For this, I am using red, brown and white. outlines are mixture of brown and red. For the eyes, I will be using two colors, blue and dark brown. So now I am outlining the whole painting with black. You can either use black marker instead. Here I feel like applying eyeliner or kajal. Yeah, it's a bit awkward or interesting at the same time. It's kind of decorating something, like you're doing makeup to the somebody. I'm using round brush here, size 1. For this, I'm using Persian blue. Let's outline this also with black. Next, I'm using white plus black is equal to gray, of course, for showing shadows look. If you like watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Keep painting. Bye. Take care.